Hi everyone, welcome back to a brand new update on the incredible transformation of FC Barcelona's Spotify Camp Nou. Today's May 19 update is absolutely massive because the stadium is now changing faster than ever before. The compression ring is expanding rapidly, new facade panels are transforming the exterior, and the Tribuna area is becoming more active every single day. So before we jump into today's update, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss any daily updates from the new Camp Nou project. Let's begin with the compression ring, which continues to dominate the skyline of the stadium. Over the last few days, construction crews have made major progress as more sections of the ring are connected around the upper structure. Additional radial beams are now extending deeper into the south corner, while new support systems continue appearing across multiple areas. The scale of this structure is absolutely enormous. From ground level, the temporary supports beneath the ring look massive, and they are designed to carry the future roof system of the stadium. Several support structures have also been relocated recently, allowing workers to speed up the installation of new compression ring sections much faster than before. Heavy machinery remains active around the upper levels every single day, and cranes continue lifting new steel elements into position. Workers are now operating simultaneously across several sections of the roof structure, which clearly shows how much construction speed has increased compared to previous months. With every new update, the future roof shape becomes easier to recognize. For the first time, the upper part of the stadium is beginning to feel complete, and the overall silhouette of the new Camp Nou is becoming more impressive day by day. From certain viewing angles, the roof structure already looks gigantic, especially when compared to the older stadium design. The engineering behind this project is truly incredible, and the compression ring is slowly becoming one of the defining visual features of the entire rebuild. Now let's move to one of the most exciting parts of the project, the facade panel installation. This area is evolving rapidly, and the exterior of the stadium is slowly transforming into a futuristic architectural masterpiece. Workers continue installing new facade panels and lamelas across multiple sectors, especially around the north goal corner where progress has accelerated noticeably. The frontal false ceiling sections are now advancing smoothly, while additional alignment guides have appeared in nearby areas preparing for future installation phases. Construction crews now seem much more efficient with the assembly process. Compared to earlier updates, the installation speed has improved significantly, and new facade elements are appearing almost daily around the stadium exterior. Another major highlight is the LED lighting integration inside the facade system. Large LED units are now mounted onto several exterior pillars, while smaller lighting systems are also being attached directly onto the decorative slats themselves. This is extremely important because it confirms that the illuminated facade project is entering a much more advanced stage. Once completed, these lighting systems could completely transform the visual identity of the stadium during nighttime. If the same lighting setup continues across all three terraces, the new Camp Nou could easily become one of the most visually impressive stadiums in Europe. The futuristic appearance is now becoming easier to imagine with every update. Black sandwich panels are also now visible across different construction sectors. These exterior cladding units are waiting for installation and will eventually create the darker, modern sections of the stadium facade. In the upper north goal areas, workers continue installing support connections for the black beam system that will carry these panels. At the same time, finishing operations are becoming increasingly visible around the facade structures. Workers have been painting bolts, support beams, and rear structural elements, showing that some areas are now moving beyond heavy construction and entering the detailing phase. These smaller finishing details may not always attract attention immediately, but they are extremely important because they show that several sectors are getting closer to completion. The project is slowly transitioning from pure structural construction toward final exterior finishing work. Now let's focus on the Tribuna area, where activity continues increasing both inside and outside the stadium structure. From the Tribuna viewing point, heavy machinery, elevated platforms, and construction crews can now be seen operating across multiple levels simultaneously. Inside the main core near the Tribuna section, progress remains steady as workers continue installing ventilation systems, structural connections, and interior framework elements. Movement inside these areas is now constant, and several access zones are becoming much more developed compared to previous weeks. The future mobility cores around the Tribuna side are also expanding steadily. These sections will eventually contain elevators, staircases, and circulation systems connecting all levels of the stadium. Large cranes continue transporting steel beams into these zones as the upper frameworks keep growing day by day. Meanwhile, the third tier continues rising rapidly above the Tribuna area. The scale of the expansion is now impossible to ignore from inside the stadium, and the upper structure looks significantly more complete with every new update. Construction teams have also started installing stair sections in several upper-tier sectors near the Tribuna and north corner areas. This is another important sign that the project is beginning to transition from pure structural work into operational stadium infrastructure. As summer approaches, construction activity is expected to increase even more. The club appears determined to continue accelerating work on the third tier and surrounding infrastructure over the coming months. One area already looking extremely polished is the future shopping zone. Glass frames, entrance sections, doors, and windows have now been completely installed with impressive precision. Everything looks modern, clean, and carefully finished, giving fans a glimpse of how premium the final stadium experience could become. The overall organization of this shopping area is especially impressive. Every detail appears carefully aligned, and the modern architectural style fits perfectly with the futuristic vision of the entire stadium redevelopment project. Work also continues advancing around the diamond structures connected to the future FC Barcelona store and ticketing areas. Glass panels are already visible nearby, while interior fitting elements such as screens and wall frameworks are beginning to appear inside several structures. Large cranes continue moving materials into these areas daily, while workers remain focused on reinforcement systems, pillar preparations, and additional structural support installations. Across the construction site, smaller finishing details are now becoming more noticeable. Welding operations continue around the south goal beams, while cranes remain active daily transporting roof components, lamelas, and support systems into position. At ground level, several sectors are now completely filled with construction materials, support structures, and facade elements waiting for installation. The entire site feels extremely active, with nonstop movement happening everywhere around the stadium. This stage of the project feels different, because the stadium is no longer only building its structure. It's now starting to build its identity, with lighting systems, facade panels, interior areas, and architectural details slowly bringing the final vision of the new Camp Nou to life. And that's it for today's May 19 update from Spotify Camp Nou. From the massive progress on the compression ring to the rapidly evolving facade panels and the nonstop activity around the Tribuna area, everything is clearly moving forward at an incredible pace. So what impressed you the most today? The future roof structure, the futuristic facade lighting, or the growing progress around the Tribuna side of the stadium? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily Camp Nou updates. See you in the next one.